Alright, this is what I got going on Saturday. Oh, that's hydraulic fluid. Got a Texas Pride trailer here for warranty. You can see that hydraulic fluid dripping. This is a brand new trailer and it's not on Texas Pride. They buy these steel weld jacks from that manufacturer, and the customer called to get a warranty on that, and this company here gave them a hard time. So then Texas Pride, since they buy all these jacks from them, they called to get a warranty on it, and they just gave them a serious hard time. So they bought these instead. So I would imagine that Texas Pride is going to stop using this company, especially when brand new they leak. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get these changed out. These look a whole lot more heavy duty, and we're going to get this done today. We got to cut these off, cut that one off, and then there's some welds down there, and then disconnect the lines. We got to do it on both sides. So we're going to get this done for this guy today. All right, got the trailer done, and of course it started raining. So we went from these to these. Definitely a whole lot nicer jack. They're definitely bigger. So we went ahead and welded them in place. I ended up having to switch the lines because of how their up and down was. I also had to cut this off and move it out to have it mounted there to make up for the lines twisted. I couldn't find any of these lines, being it's Saturday, and the Tractor Supply don't have those, so those are special made. So they're just going to have to deal with it. I did notice a puddle there, and I wiped everything down on the cylinder because there's dirt and stuff all on it. I checked it. I don't see any leaks, but we'll go ahead and leave it and see if we can find a leak there and get that taken care of as well. But overall, this is a pretty nice trailer right here. But this is done. Guys coming to get it tomorrow, and they'll be happy with it.